Hi everyone and welcome to this week's Celebration Assembly. There's been some super work going on at home this week and some super work going on in school too for those children attending school. I've been particularly impressed with the online learning. The engagement this week has been much bigger than any of the other weeks, so let's keep that up. I'm really impressed with all of you, so well done. We are investing in some more laptops, so if you are struggling with devices and you need help with that, then please contact your class teacher on Class Dojo and they can let me know that you need a device to help you and support you with your work at home. Over to our teachers now to find out who our stars of the week are for this week.
Hello everybody, Polly and I are outside in the rain today just to prove that there's no such thing as bad weather, just bad clothing. So I've put my waterproofs on and we're out having a walk. This week's Child of the Week from nursery also has been out in the rain. He's been showing that any learning that you can do inside, you almost always do outside as well.
I, B, C, D, E, F, G.
So well done and keep up the hard work. Well done everybody, bye-bye.
My child of the week is Mikhail. He's done some remarkable work while being at home. We've been really impressed with the work you've been producing, so keep it up, Mikhail. Well done.
This week I have chosen Ivy as my child of the week. Ivy, I've been so impressed with how hard you've been working at home and with Mummy. You try all the activities and you send all your work in, and I'm so proud of you. Keep it up.
My child of the week is Max. Max, I've chosen you this week. Well, I could choose you every week since we've been starting home learning. You just blow me away every time you complete a task that I have set. Well done for even doing more work that I have not even set. It's lovely to see everything that you're up to. I'm really, really proud. Just keep it up. Well done.
Hi Samuel, I've chosen you this week as my child of the week because of the remarkable learning that you've been doing at home. From the work that you've been sending me, I can see that you're really pushing your limits and it's making me feel very proud. So well done, keep it up.
My child of the week this week is Noah. I have chosen you, Noah, because you've really pushed your limits this week with the work that we have set you, especially in your Spanish work. And I can see that you're trying to improve your score on Doodle Maths and Doodle English daily. So well done, Noah. Keep up the great work.
My child of the week this week is Ezra. Ezra, I have chosen you for my child of the week because you are completing most activities that I am putting on the Google Classroom. You are scoring really highly on your spelling tests and you're trying so hard with your Minion Mathletics. I'm really proud of you. Keep up the hard work.
Hello everyone, my child of the week this week is Kenneth. I've chosen Kenneth because he's a remarkable learner inside the classroom and out. He's hard-working, he pushes his limits, and his positivity and enthusiasm has really made me smile during lockdown. So thank you, Kenneth, keep it up.
Hello, my child of the week this week is Kai. Kai, I've chosen you as my child of the week because I've been really impressed with your resilience and all of the wonderful work you've been sending in to me. Keep it up.
The child of the week this week in 4IW is Muna. Well done, Muna. I've been really impressed by the wonderful curriculum work you have produced this week and also that you have accessed Doodle Maths and Doodle English daily. Well done. Keep up this remarkable work.
Hello everyone, my child of the week this week is Alani. She has been working so hard on Google Classroom and doing so many activities on Doodle Maths and Doodle English, and every day she sends me lovely messages when she's logged on to say hello and they always make me smile. She has been truly remarkable. Well done, Alani, keep it up.
I cannot believe how much work this pupil in my class has completed this week. Not only have they completed all of their work from Mrs. Jones, but they have completed all of their maths and English work set on Google Classrooms and on Doodle. In fact, they are working in the green section on Doodle English and on Doodle Maths. This week, I'm going to pick Safa as my child of the week. Keep up the good work, Safa. You are very remarkable.
Hi everyone. It was a tough one this week to choose my child of the week, but my child of the week is Aaron this week. His family's going through a lot, but despite that, he has been so focused and so fantastic online doing his doodle tasks and tuning into the live lessons. I've been so proud of him. I know his mum is too. So this is just a really big shout out to say you're incredible, you're doing remarkable work, keep it up, keep the top of that leaderboard with your 100% and all your stars, and just keep being you. I look forward to seeing you soon, fingers crossed, but a massive well done.
My child of the week this week is Amy Eggington. She has been a remarkable child throughout this lockdown and not being at school. She's shown real resilience, she hasn't given up, and with the support of her mum is making so much progress. She's usually one of the first to respond when we have live lessons, and she had a massive shout out from Miss Jesson from AET on Monday, which was brilliant for her. And I want to say that I'm really proud of everything you're doing, and a big thank you to your mum as well. You have been amazing and you are still being amazing. Keep up your remarkable. I am so proud of you and cannot wait to see you again in class. Take care, Amy. Bye.
The child of the week for 6MW this week is Tiffany for being resilient and putting more effort in with her online learning.
My child of the week this week is Marwa for her engagement with the home learning activities.
Hi everyone. It's great to see so many of you getting onto Doodle and getting all of your work done. It's also great to see all the character curriculum work that you're sending in to me. My child of the week this week is Leah. In particular Leah because she's been sending lots of pictures of her cooking. She's also been sending me some TikTok dances. I love the dance with your mum, Leah. Keep sending them in. See you all soon. Stay safe.
Marco, I have chosen you this week as my child of the week because you are cool and you don't mind being unusually brave and trying out new things, which allows you to produce some remarkable work, not just when you was in school, but through your virtual classroom as well. Well done, Marco. Keep up all the hard work and stay safe.
So, a big well done for all of our stars of the week this week. Really proud of you all. And if it wasn't you this week, keep trying hard and it could be you next week. Now we're going to look at our house points for this week. So those children who have been doing great work at home and have been awarded class dojos, we're still adding those up each week. So let's have a look at our team points for this week. And finally, let's take a look at some of the great photographs from this week that have been sent in from you at home and some of the photographs we've taken of the children working in school this week. Enjoy, have a lovely weekend, and we'll see you all again on Monday. Take care.
Reach out my hand, Umbe say you, Umbe tell you to run. Nobody see, nobody on. Well, pick me up with good in hand. Umbe say you, umbe tell you to run. Nobody see, nobody on. I would like to hold my little hand. How we will run, you will. How we will crawl, we will. I would like to hold my little hand. How we will run, you will. How we will crawl. Send me in my way. 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 Send me on my way. Send me on my way.